Yeah, hi, in today's video we're going to be looking at a site called Mintalise, and this is a fairly new site. So we're going to be doing a full Mintalise review for you and showing you how you can actually earn extra money by playing games, doing surveys, all that sort of thing. So stay tuned right to the end of this video and watch everything, and then you can go and assess for yourself whether Mintalise is going to be worth your time. Okay, so let's jump over to the desktop and go through a full Mintalise review. Okay, so as you can see, we've come on to the Mintalise website here. It says, welcome to Mintalise. Join for free today and start earning extra money. Mintalise is 100% free to join, and you'll get lots of extra perks, a daily bonus, a loyalty, as well as a referral program, a support team entirely dedicated to you and your cash payments such as PayPal and prepaid Visa card. So all good stuff there. There's a very short video here that you can actually watch a little bit about Mintalise. But here's the steps you've got to take. Obviously, sign up with a valid email. You will need a valid email because you will need to activate your account. So once you've actually signed up, you will get an email through like this where you just need to click on this activate your account button here, and this will then activate your account so you can go and log in. Like I say, you've got complete surveys, so there's games, surveys, quizzes, and more. Now, you can earn what they call mints, okay? Now, 1,000 mints is worth $1 US. And then you can redeem your mints for cash or gift cards. Now, these are the payment options that we've got, PayPal or Visa at the moment. So two great payment options, not all available worldwide. So I'm not sure whether the Mintalise is available worldwide, but it certainly is available in loads of different countries. Now, Mintalise is a fairly new website. So as you can see here, it's only got 36,000 active users, which can be good in a way, because if you can get on a site that is not saturated, so then you will get probably more offers available to you and be able to earn more mints, and then obviously earn more cash in the long term. So let's dive into the back of Mintalise and show you exactly how things work. So once you're in Mintalise, as you can see here again, it tells you at the top here, you've got to reach 5,000 mints to redeem $5. Okay, so that is their minimum, is the $5 minimum. So with the actual redeem amount just $5, that can be very easy to hit, because as you can see from these offers, this offer here, $16,000, that's 16,000 mints you get for that, 10,000 mints for that one, 420 just for that one, and 720. So again, you're not going to have to take many ads or surveys to actually reach this. Now for this one, you can even earn just by downloading apps. If you're not even on TikTok yet, you could download the TikTok app. You've only got to open it and just literally be a new user, and you'd receive 2,400 mints, which is near enough halfway to your first payout then straight away. But as I can see here, there are various different things here, and there's quite a few. Like I say, we're not restricted here. Now, some of the surveys and that sort of thing, it may be dependent on your country as to whether you get accepted on some of those. But certainly there's loads of different games here and apps, etc., that you can actually download, including things like Uber Eats here. If you're looking to use Uber Eats, this is a great one, because you can obviously download this, order your first meal, and you will get 8,000 coins, which is obviously $8. So you get $8 off your first meal with Uber Eats. So like I say, once you've hit your target, you just hit the redeem button here, and like I say, we've got at the moment, we've got cash payments here, which will be PayPal, which you can actually redeem from $1, it's saying here, but it says it's $5 on the thing. So it'd be interesting to see what that is. And again, the prepaid Visa card could be up to from $1 up to $200. And it's got gift cards here as well. But it says if you don't see any payment option available in your country, then contact us. Let us know your preferred Amazon store. So they do Amazon gift cards as well. You can just state which store you actually want. So a few good things here. They've obviously got a contact us page. They've got FAQs, all that sort of thing. And they've actually got a Facebook page as well, which again is only fairly small, but it's good that they've got their own page and they're going to be able to answer questions, etc. And they're not claiming that you're going to earn masses of money in a very short period of time, which most of these scam sites do. So I think this is pretty standard, the sort of things you're going to be able to earn and be at the offers you're going to be able to do. You've also got things like daily bonus. They actually reward you for coming in. Now, obviously, I've only just started here, so I need to complete my first offer, and then I can earn from daily mints. And the more days you come in on the trot, the more bonuses you get on that. They have also got a referral program. Now, this is great. Even if you only refer a few people, you will get obviously a percentage of their earnings. So they're giving you a link here which you can then share. It doesn't actually tell you how much the referral program, but it's normally sort of like 5 or 10%, something like that. So Mintalise is definitely one to check out. I'll be checking it out further as well, and showing you how you can obviously redeem and everything in another video. But definitely check out Mintalise today if you want to earn some extra cash online. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.